Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Monday the 5th of February. This is your Bitcoin trading update. There's not too much to update upon this morning because Bitcoin's been trading within this narrow range of about 5% for the past week. And realistically, it's just we're really waiting for expansion at this stage to see whether we're going to get a move up towards that 46k or back down towards that 41 to 40k. Just quickly, apologies if the camera goes all glary. The sun is like blasting in through the window. So it makes me go all weird sometimes. But I want to get this video done quickly, so I'm just going to put up with it. As for the levels, then really we're just looking at the moment for myself, weekly open being quite significant. Okay, we can see here we had that range forming over the weekend. And then yesterday dropped back into our yearly open, getting a decent bounce off of that, which has negated a lot of this like downtrendy, like slow grind down price action that we had over the past few days. And there is the potential for this to pop back up towards that range point of control. If there is to be a drop down to weekly open, I would look for that to hold a support, and then we'd look for that move up towards that 44k again, which is the key level to break. Now, if it can break that, Luna is crying in the background again. Luna, stop. So realistically, yeah, if there is to be a move down towards that weekly open, daily open, then that would be a good area to look for longs and validation over the those overnight lows, and then seeing if this can get a bit of volume to push through that point of control, to push through that previous week high, to push through that weekly level. And if it can do that, then there's really very little stopping a very quick move up towards that 46, where we've got an untapped daily level, we've got a yearly level, and we've got an MPOC up there as well. So for me, starting off with a bias that I think we can see some more upside. If that upside does happen, then I would anticipate a range to form within here before, again, looking for some higher prices. I do think that that would be a decent sign of strength that we are going to continue higher. Now, if it can't push through there, then it's got to go seek liquidity below. And for me, that would be a move down to basically fill in these imbalances. And once again, there is also an MPOC down there. And that can be somewhere we can look at as getting a bounce. But at that stage, I would consider that to be more bearish. I don't like deep retraces after you see like potential reversal like we have done, because we had this breakdown, changing market structure, consolidation here should be leading to further move to the upside. If it does fail and we get a deeper consolidation, yes, okay, you've got range lows acting as support, but I would then look for a bounce and then continuation lower back down towards that 37k area there. I still believe there's a strong possibility that that 38,800 low is the low, and this can continue to push higher though. If we look on the Coinbase chart, it's again very, very, very similar here, right? Okay, you had the midpoint of the range, the point of control of the range, you've got that other point of control above at 44, just below 44k, yearly level holding, and then yeah, just right now is just not the time to be kind of opening trades as such. It's pretty tight. No news this week either. So news for this week, there's some little stuff going on. There is some unemployment data on Thursday before the market opens, but there's nothing too much in terms of news to be talking about. And also NASDAQ is looking pretty bullish here, looking at the likelihood of getting new all-time highs again as we go through the rest of the week. Now, if we have a look on the liquidation heat maps, we can see again, weekend range was very tight, so coming through, just taking a bunch of stop losses, some over leveraged long positions being liquidated, but once again the main cluster of liquidations is up towards that 44k area. We are seeing open interest starting to increase again, which is good. Okay, we needed to see that when we were talking about this last week. Open interest had just had this big drop off as price had just started to consolidate, but we are seeing open interest starting to increase. It is a lot of long positions opening so far, so you want to see them manage to continue to push price in the direction. If open interest is going up, CVD is going up, and price is going up, that is all healthy, that is all good. It means we're looking for higher prices. But if price starts to stall and you see the open interest and the CVD continuing to go up, then it does show us that there is absorption, and therefore we can be looking for some shorts. Again, this on Agra just kind of backs that up really. Spot leading once again, but spot, the actual buying on spot has been much more than perps over the past few days. We've seen a lot of this consolidation on negative delta on perpetuals, whereas the spot bid has held quite well. And once again, so far early this week, it has been spot that has pushed this price higher. And as long as that can continue, then we are looking for those higher prices. Really, that is just about everything that we have to update on today. But because it's a short update, there's nothing much going on. I'm going to do a little thing. If you've managed to stay here to the end and you're interested in joining the crew, then this code, I'm going to make it active for 24 hours only. So take yourself over to the link in the description below, which is wop.com/toros-crypto, or just go to toroscrypto.com, and then you can sign up for the crew. And if you use that code TCFEB50 on a 1 month on the 1 month plan, then it'll give you a 50% discount on your first month of crew membership. So it's there if you've managed to watch until the end and you're interested in the crew membership, where we do daily live trading rooms on a daily basis. We've got a ton of educational content, thousands of hours of educational content if you really want to go through all of that stuff. And yeah, just a really active, friendly community. We're always trading together. So if you want to learn how to trade, you want to become a better trader, you want to trade alongside the rest of us in the community, then do take yourself over there and check out that code. So yeah, active for today only if you've managed to or whatever. If you managed to stay here until the end of the video. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.